Hello and a very warm welcome to McCarthy's Homevalue. My name is Ashley McCarthy, General Manager here at McCarthy's Homevalue in Tramore, County Waterford. We're a family-run business originally established in 1990 by my father Thomas McCarthy. We're proud members of the Homevalue Hardware and D.I.Y group and also Guaranteed Irish. Over the last 33 years, we've expanded our range of products and now include home, garden, building materials, paint, home heating fuels such as coal, gas, kiln-dried logs and a wide range of eco-fuels. We supply home heating oil with an option to join our budget plan where you can spread the cost of your payments over 12 months. We also stock a huge range of paving, DIY and hardware, garden and outdoor living.
It's great working here at McCarthy's Homevalue, serving the local community. My relationship with the customers is great. It's great because we know everyone. Return custom is key as well. And yeah, you get friendly with everybody then.
We get great support from our customers here locally within Tramore and Waterford, and most of which we now know on a first name basis. Over the years, thankfully, and most importantly with the help of our great staff, we've gained a great reputation for supplying quality products with friendly advice and a general good honest service. Check out our website mccarthystramore.ie for a list of our current special offers and in-store promotions. Order from home anytime with nationwide shipping available. McCarthy's, a service you'll warm to.